everybody and welcome to my channel. Now if you didn't know who I am, my name is Jasmine and I post on this channel at 7 PM every Monday. So for today's video I thought it'd be fun to do the challenge where you get one of your friends to design you an eye look and you recreate it on camera. I don't know who started this kind of trend. I think I saw it on TikTok before, you know, everyone on YouTube started doing it. So credit to whoever did start it. So I got one of my close friends, Taya, to design me a little eye look. You can't really see the colours very well, so I will insert it over top. But she's put on there pastel moment on the lid with liner and lashes. Pink cut crease with a nude / white cut crease liner and white hearts. So it is very kind of light and pastel-y, which is different because I normally go very bright and vibrant. So what I'm going to do is off camera do one of my eyes and then show you how I did it using the other eye on camera. So I'll be back in a second. So as you can see, I have done my left eye. I'm really umming and ahhing whether I like this or not. I'm going to show you how I did it on the other eye, and hopefully once it all kind of comes together, I'll like it a lot more. Fingers crossed. So like always, on my brows I have my PinkHoney Raspberry Flex Gel and a bit of the brow running through kind of the tail end to create my brows. And then I've just cut my crease and primed my eyes using the P.Louise base, and I'm in the shade 0.5 Rumour. So for this whole look I did use my Stacie Marie and BPerfect Carnival XL palette, and then the first shade I went in with is Influence, which is this kind of like dark maroon pink. I kind of map out where I want my cut crease and wing to go with the 226 smudger brush from Zoeva, and I'm taking it right into the inner corner as well. So I'm now going in with the lightest pink in the palette, which is Pep Talk, and I'm going to kind of blend out that line, and I'm doing that on a Morphe E18. Last but not least, I'm going in with the Foolish shade in the palette, which is more of a pinky orange, and I'm taking that on my Morphe E17 brush. Like my previous brush, it's just a little bit more fluffier, and then I'm blending out the light pink shade with this one. So I'm now just taking off the base with my wet wipe and cleaning up that cut crease. So I'm just going back in with my P.Louise base and my Morphe M217 liner brush, and I'm going to create the nude cut crease liner. Similar to my Euphoria makeup look, if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a little iCard up here for you to check it out after this one. I'll be going in with my Revolution Pro Pigment Pomade in Royal Purple, and I'm going to be mixing that with my Illamasqua Skin Base in SB01, which is just like a white foundation shade. Where this is going to be a very light lilac colour, I'm literally taking the smallest amount of the pomade and mixing it with a lot more white, and that way I've created a lilac base. And I'm going in with my Zoeva 233 Cream Shader Brush, which is again a flat, quite big shading brush. I'm going to cut my crease and apply this all over my lid. So now that the purple is set, you can leave it as it is and kind of set it into place with a bit of powder. I'm going to add a bit more of a shimmer glitter to it to add a bit more kind of something else to the look. So I'm first going in with the tiniest bit of Wasted, which is this deep purple, just to add a bit of shading towards where the cut crease is. With the pastel of the purple and like the nude of the winged liner, it does get lost in between each other, so I'm just using this to kind of shade out. So with that little bit of shading you can see where the cut liner and the cut crease is. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going in with my Sosu and Kaylee SK05, again synthetic thin packing on brush, and I'm going in with Orchid, which is the lilac shimmer purple, and I'm pressing that all over my lid. Now with a smaller brush I'm going in with a little bit of the shade Pink Me, which is a white gold with pink reflexes in there, and I'm tapping that along the centre of the lid. So for the wing liner I'm going in with Lights Out, which is the jet black shade, and I'm taking that on my 322 Brow Line Zoeva brush. And similar to the cut crease, I'm using this to kind of map out where I want the wing. So I'm just going in with a Morphe E36 and again blending out that wing to smoke it out. And to make it bolder I'm going in with my Benefit roller liner. Again using that Morphe brush just to blend everything out. So now I'm going to go in with the wet wipe and clean up. So now to do the white hearts, I'm going in with this Krylon Super Colour. It's basically a grease paint that you use to kind of paint your whole face, but I use this for like little white details. And I'm going in with my Sosu and Kaylee SK07 brush, like so, and I'm just going to do that all over the liner. So like always, I've done both my eyes and then I've coated my lashes with the BarryM tinted primer, and the lashes I popped on are the DollBeauty Cher lashes. Shocking, they are my absolute favourite lashes to wear with any look. The first one I'm going in with is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This has got the glitter reflexes in the shade Pink Lights. And if that wasn't glowy enough, I'm now going in with my Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow and focusing that on kind of the high points of my face where I would highlight. So now to smooth down any texture around my acne scarring, I'm going in with the Benefit Professional, the original one. So for foundation, I'm going in with the Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a new one to me. I got it about a month ago and I've not used it yet. I've not really done makeup in the last couple of weeks, so I've not had the chance, and I wanted to do my first impressions on camera, which I'm going to do today for you. I've got the shade 2 Neutral. There we go. Got some on my leg. See, I don't know how much you need of this because it's meant to be full coverage. So I'm not gonna lie, first impressions of it, I actually really like it. It's actually really nice. It kind of covers all of my acne scarring without me having to try. And I use the smallest amount as well, and it's very full coverage. I probably should blend in my forehead before it dries. I wonder how well it's gonna sit on my skin throughout the day. I would test it out, but it's currently 5:30 and this makeup is just going to come straight off after I film this. I do enjoy how it has left my skin really glowy, even though it is full coverage. I don't know if that's down to the foundation or just the amount of Fix Plus that I put over top and Wonder Glow underneath. So I'm now going to go in with concealer. Now, I don't know what happened. I've not used this concealer in a couple of months, and when I picked it up, the lid of it shattered. Literally into different pieces. Just blending that out with a little small precise brush. So I'm now going in with the L'Oreal Glam Bronze Cushion D Soleil Fresh Glow Bronzer. I do find that this product is really nice for fairer skin tones because it just adds a really nice healthy bronze glow to the skin. Again, I'm going to go in with another new product. I bought this about 2 months, a month and a half ago. And I completely forgot that I bought it. It was just shoved in one of my beauty bags. So I'm going to actually use this for the first time today. This is the I Heart Revolution Banana Baking Powder. I've had really great things about these powders from I Heart Revolution. So this also comes with a little powder puff. So I'm just going to let that sit while I go with bronzer. Today I'll be using the Morphe Lo-Fi 8L palette. So this is the lighter of their bronzer and highlighting palettes. You've got 4 bronzers and 4 highlighters. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of Donut and Literaty? I can't even say that. The lighter shade and the medium shade. So now I'm going to go in and I'm just pressing that into my eyes. So I actually really do like that powder. It has got rid of the highlighting that I did with concealer a little bit. You can still see it, but not as much. So next time I probably will pick it up once I run out of that one in Coconut. But overall, it's actually blurred out texture around my nose very well. So because I've been using a lot of full coverage products and a lot of powder, which I don't normally do, I have just spritzed myself a little bit more with the Fix Plus to add some moisture back into my skin. I'm now going back in with the Morphe palette and I'm going in with highlighting. I'm going to take Stardust and Lit, the 2 lighter shades, and highlight. So I'm now going in with my Morphe blusher palette. This is the cooler toned one, the 8C. I'm going to be taking a bit of Sexy and Driven, these 2, and I'm going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. So now I'm going to go in underneath my eyes. In the photo that Taya drew me, she's got pink at the top and then blended out with purple. And then she has got little dots in the inner corner. Now I don't know if she just means just highlight or if that kind of is meant to stand for like glitter in the inner corner. So I'm going to do glitter. So like I did with the crease colour, I'm going to go in with Influence first and blend out with Pep Talk. The issue I've got now is that the purple I used on the lid is a shimmer, and I don't want to kind of blend this out with a shimmer and my highlight be there. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35 eye palette, the Ice Fantasies, and I'm going to take the bright purple here and blend out that pink. So I'm not applying too much of this purple shade. I think if I apply it too low and too much, it's going to look like I've got like bruised under eyes. So I'm just going to take that further up my wing. So I've just taken the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk into my bottom waterline. It's been a hot minute since I've seen anyone use these NYX Jumbo pencils in anything. This is the NYX Colour Mascara in Forget Me Not, which is their lilac shade. So because I placed the white in my waterline, it should make this colour really pop. So I'm now going in with one of the BarryM Dazzle Dusts. I don't know what shade it is because it has like white top, but it is just a white gold glitter, and I'm going to take that on a Sosu and Kaylee SK04 brush. And I'm just going to pat that in to my inner corner. So off camera I quickly popped on my lip look. So I went in with MAC Oak Lip Liner and then the matte lipstick from the PS range in Primark in Thrill Seeker. And then that is the completed look that Taya drew for me. Like I said, Taya's channel will be linked down below for you to check out. If you want to see me do more videos like this, then I will do so. So let me know if you do want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!